Here we see the picture of a van. Here is written dash A N. The spellings of van are V A N. Van. Here letter V is missed, so we write here V. Here we see the picture of an umbrella. Here is written U M B R dash double L A. The spellings of umbrella are U M B R E double L A. Umbrella. Here letter E is missed, so we write here E. Here we see the picture of a table. Here is written T A B L dash. The spellings of table are T A B L E. Table. Here letter C is missed, so we write here E. Here we see the picture of a star. Here is written S T A dash. The spellings of star are S T A R. Star. Here letter R is missed, so we write here R. Here we see the picture of a rose. Here is written dash O S E. The spellings of rose are R O S E. Rose. Here letter R is missed, so we write here R. Here we see the picture of a quilt. Here is written dash U I L T. The spellings of quilt are Q U I L T. Quilt. Here letter Q is missed, so we write here Q. Here we see the picture of a pencil. Here is written P E N dash I L. The spellings of pencil are P E N C I L. Pencil. Here letter C is missed, so we write here C. Here we see the picture of an orange. Here is written O R A N dash E. The spellings of orange are O R A N G E. Orange. Here letter G is missed, so we write here G. Here we see the picture of a net. Here is written dash E T. The spellings of net are N E T. Net. Here letter N is missed, so we write here N. Here we see the picture of a mouse. Here is written M dash U S E. The spellings of mouse are M O U S E, mouse. Here letter O is missed, so we write here O. Here we see the picture of a lamp. Here is written L A P. The spellings of lamp are L A M P, lamp. Here letter M is missed, so we write here M. Here we see the picture of a key. Here is written K E dash. The spellings of key are K E Y, key. So here letter Y is missed, so we write here Y. Here we see the picture of a jacket. Here is written J A C dash E T. The spellings of jacket are J A C K E T, jacket. Here letter K is missed, so we write here K. Here we see the picture of an iron. Here is written I dash O N. The spellings of iron are I R O N, iron. Here letter R is missed, so we write here R. Here we see the picture of a hand. Here is written H A N dash. The spellings of hand are H A N D, hand. Here letter D is missed, so we write here D. Here we see the picture of a gate. Here is written G A dash E. The spellings of gate are G A T E, gate. Here letter T is missed, so we write here T. Here we see the picture of a fan. Here is written dash A N. The spellings of fan are F A N, fan. Here letter F is missed, so we write here F. Here we see the picture of an elephant. Here is written E L E P dash A N T. The spellings of elephant are E L E P H A N T, elephant. Here letter H is missed, so we write here H. Here we see the picture of a duck. Here is written D U C dash. The spellings of duck are D U C K, duck. Here letter K is missed, so we write here K. Here we see the picture of a car. Here is written C-R. The spellings of car are C-A-R, car. Here letter A is missed. So we write here A. Here we see the picture of a butterfly. Here is written B dash double T E R F L Y. The spellings of butterfly are B U double T E R F L Y. Butterfly. Here letter U is missed. So we write here U. Here we see the picture of an ant. Here is written A dash T. The spellings of an ant are A N T, ant. Here letter N is missed. So we write here